silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Fred again from Fred's Tech Hub. So there are so many unboxing videos available on the Infinix Hot S3 already. Being that I got the device a little late, there was no point for me to make another unboxing video on this device. So I decided to spend some time with it and give you my full review on it. But before we begin, please kindly hit that subscribe button to join the family and turn on the bell icon to get notification when a new video drops. So first off, I will say I don't see any reason why this phone exists in the first place. Come on Infinix, we have the Hot S3 already with basically the same specifications apart from the screen size and the notch. Okay, I get it. Okay, you're saying we forgot to add the notch on the Hot S3, so let's give them another device with the same specifications and everything and add a notch to that, call it a new device. You know the notch is actually trending. Okay, I see that's what you did. Okay, enough of all the rants. Let's talk about the design. If you've seen the Infinix Note 5, then you've seen it all. It is so identical to that of the Note 5, shiny and attractive, but it doesn't feel as solid as the Note 5. In fact, it feels like a cheaper version of the Note 5. It's lighter than the Note 5 and at the same time it feels cheap compared to the Note 5. I know design is subjective. Some people may like it and some may hate it. Moving on is the display. The display is bigger than that of the Note 5 and the Hot S3. At 6.2-inch HD display, it is bright and has good viewing angles. I like the curved corners, but I'm not so fully into that notch just yet. Maybe later in the future. The display has a 1500 by 720 HD display, which makes me wonder why Infinix didn't slap the same display found on the Note 5 here for better overall viewing experience. Cause like YouTube, you are limited to just 720p viewing experience, which isn't ideal in 2018. Come on Infinix. On the spec sheet, it features a Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU clocked at 1.4 GHz, then paired with a 3GB of RAM and a 32GB of internal storage. Though there is a variant with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, I don't have that one here. At the back of the device is where you find the 13+2 megapixels dual rear camera, and in front is a 16 megapixels selfie camera. Then on the battery side is a 4000 mAh battery. Then what is powering all this good stuff is Android 8.1 Oreo with Infinix custom XOS Hummingbird UI. Speaking of UI, the performance is kind of let down on this device, especially if you compare it to the Note 5, which itself rocks a Chinese MediaTek CPU. You hear of a Snapdragon and you believe you're getting something better. No, that's not the case here. This is one of the low-end Snapdragon processor which perform poorly when compared to the Chinese MediaTek CPU on the Note 5. I don't know why Infinix did this, especially when this phone is priced the same as the Note 5. The user interface isn't that great, so many lags here and there, especially when browsing the web and playing some games. App navigation isn't that smooth as well, which makes me wonder who will buy this phone, leaving the Note 5 behind. That's not to say it cannot handle all your basic tasks. It will handle all your basic tasks properly. It's just that I had high hopes for this device coming from the Infinix Note 5. Next up is the camera. It takes good looking pictures and I have no complaints here at all. Though I didn't see the need of having a dual camera setup at the back when it doesn't really do much. The images has good contrast and they maintain natural looking colors with good details as well, which makes everything stay true to life. Selfies on the other hand are very okay too, though it overexposed the background too much, but overall it is pleasing. The video is decent too. Cropped at 1080p, it handles the exposure properly by maintaining good details and managing the HDR properly, though it doesn't handle stability properly, which is what you expect from a device like this. Then the battery life. I don't know if there's any issue with my own unit, cause it doesn't look like my device has the said 4000 mAh battery. The battery life is very poor on my own device. I had 100% battery before going to bed. It was connected to my home Wi-Fi network. The same thing with my Note 5. I woke up and saw just 26% from 100%. Then the Note 5, which was connected to the same Wi-Fi network, had just 4% reduction from 100%. Then I thought it might just be some background app updates throughout the night. I gave it a 100% charge again to see if it will carry for a full day use. And behold, it went down from 100% to 15% by 3 p.m., which is really bad for a 4000 mAh battery. Even the Smart 2 Pro doesn't act like this. My Note 5 stays for 2 days before needing to charge again, and mind you, my Note 5 is a backup smartphone. I don't really use it as much as my daily driver, so I don't know why the S3X is acting this way. Probably a software update might fix this. I don't really know. If you're having these same issues, please let me know in the comment section below. At 62,000 naira, which is also the same asking price for the Infinix Note 5, it is very difficult for me to recommend this device to anyone. If you want a solid contender, go with the Note 5. In fact, in every measurable way, the Infinix Note 5 bests the Infinix Hot S3X, from build quality to performance and battery life. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you own the S3X, let me know your experience too. Like and share this video to help someone make a buying decision, and please don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon on, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.